January 12th, and I'm the numbers lady. We're going to do some other little interesting activities this week, picking up from yesterday, the 11th, and through. We'll have the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. That's this week. We're going to do certain things with Morse code and with an abacus. We're going to do some kind of group things together rather than something every single day. But 12 is here with me today, 1 in the 10s and 2 in the 1s. We don't have our masks on because we're inside our house. So let's figure out what Morse code is about. We talked last week about the magic square over here, using Chinese numerals, or that you could use any language you like to make your own magic squares. But we did not talk about Morse code, which is another way to actually send messages. Used a lot during wars to send messages about what you're trying to say in secret, so people cannot necessarily figure it out if you're really fast. But we're not going to be fast. We're just going to try and figure out how you do it. One wants to know, how do you present 1 in Morse code? Now, all of Morse code, here's a little picture, is a little tool where your finger hits down either short or long. Bip or boo, bip or boo, long or short. So here is the translation into Morse code of the numbers 1 to 9 and 0. And they're all 5 little pieces. You have to push 5 times. 1 is 1 short and 4 long. 5 is 5 short, so it'd be beep, 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 beep. 1, you are bip, beep, 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 beep. And 2 is 2 short and 3 long, so it's beep, 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 beep. Okay, so you could try this at home. You could actually make something where you could actually push your keyboard either short and long, or you could use a piano key, anything you like to make your own short and long. So here is 1 is 1 short and 4 long, 2 is 2 short and 3 long, 3 is 3 short and 2 long, 4 is 4 short and 1 long, 5 is 5 shorts. And then when we go beyond 5, it's 1 long and 4 short, 4, 6, 2 long for 7, followed by 3 short. 8 is 3 long, followed by 2 short. 9 is 4 long, followed by 1 short. And 0 is 5 long. So that is how you can change all of the numbers 0 to 9 into Morse code through how you would push the button beep or beep, 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 longs and shorts. The alphabet also can be changed into Morse code, but this is for the numbers are, and you could use those symbols if you wanted to make an audio magic square. So you could have it actually sound, and the Morse code is more interesting through sound. That is the reason it's not on my poster, but it's fun to think about Morse code. So 1 says, I am beep, 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 beep. 2 is beep, 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 beep. And the rest of the numbers 0 to 9 are there on the piece of paper. Now, one of the other things I wanted to do was talk about the year. This year is 2021. So I have these 2021 made with the little numbers with the magnets. And one of the activities I tweeted out earlier this year was, let's take these 4 digits and create other years. So you could have it be 2012, 2012. How long ago was that from now, 2021? How many years ago was it? Okay. Well, from 2012 to 13 is 1 year, to 14 is 2 years, 15 is 3 years, so on, so on. How many years is 2021 from 2012? And I think you'll find it is 9 years. So one of the things you could do is mix these around, make the different years, and then figure out if it's in the past, what was going on in 2012. So you could write down what was going on in 2012. Could we do something else? Yes, you could do 1,202. So 1,202, were any of you alive then? No. Was I alive then? No. but you could see what was going on then. Put it on a timeline. This could be really fun. And if it's in history, then you could figure out, do some research and find out what was going on that year. Now, what about if we put 0 over here on the end? Can we do that? Sure. Okay, this would be year 122. 0 is over here, it doesn't add anything, so it's still 122. So that's 122. What was going on in 122? Oh, probably the Roman Empire. There was things going on in China, things all over the world, but you could then go research what's going on. Now, could we create a year in the future? Well, yes, we could put the 2's here. We could make it 2201. Is that that's in the future. So what do you think life might be like 2201? Ooh, remember there was a movie made, 2001, A Space Odyssey, right? It was thinking in the future what was going to happen in 2001. Well, it's come and gone. And now we could think about 2201 or 2201. So you can take the numbers, move them around. How many different years could you make with the 4 where 2 of them are the same? This is what's known, we're in the area of permutations and combinations, which is usually handled in high-level AP statistics in high school or in college, but all of you at any age can do the same thing. With the magnetic numbers, it makes them easy because they actually can create numbers here. And here you would have 1,220. Was that in the past or is that in the future? And if either way, how many years from now is it? If it's in the past, find out what was going on in history then. If it's in the future, imagine what life will be like then. So this is the numbers lady. We have a little bit here we can do. So like 22 wants to know, how would you make 22 with the Morse code? Well, each one of them is deet, 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 and then you'd go deet, 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 deet. So you'd have it 2 2's in a row without a break, so they know it's 22. And how about if we did 11, which was yesterday? Here we are. It would be beep, 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 and that would create 11. It's a counting based on sound and length of short and long. Now, how about, what was it on Sunday? It was 10th. So how would you do that? You'd have a 1, beep, 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 and then beep, 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 beep for the 0. So you would have a short beep, 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 beep for the 1, and then 5 longs, beep, 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 beep for the 0, making 10. There you go, Morse code, changing the number around to make years and make you think about how you could do a sound magic square so it would make noise for giving you the digits of each one of the numbers 1 to 9. This is the Numbers Lady. We'll be back later in the week to do an abacus and other kind of arithmetic rearrangements so you can imagine and create. Bye-bye.